to the Sailboat project. So in this short episode, hopefully short episode, we're going to be using some of the square stock wood that we did the floorboard supports out of, and we're going to be making some fastening pieces to go onto the bow. So when we bend the piece of the decking over the bow, we'll have spots to fasten that down and screw it into. So we won't have to bend it, and it won't be a lot of stress on the actual boat. So yeah, it should be a pretty quick process, but you know, nothing's easy with this. So yeah, let's jump into it. I suppose we should probably do a project update before we get into this one. Yeah, as you can see, the bow hatch has been assembled. So we're gonna have a hatch here up on the bow with the new design that we're gonna talk about in an upcoming video. And so to accommodate that hatch, we needed an opening. And so we moved the battery compartment that was supposed to be back there. We've moved it up to the front so we can kind of alleviate some weight in the stern. So this will be the new battery compartment, and we'll build a little enclosure for that. And so you can drop it down through the top hatch without going through the underneath. But yeah, so that's in. It needs to be resined in. And then back here, we have the transom support board cut and is ready to be resined and fiberglassed in. So yeah, the transom is a pretty weak material, and so if we're gonna have all this weight hanging off there in the back, we wanna be able to fasten it to something that's solid and something that's glassed into the boat. But yeah, she's getting there. Done. We're done with those little details. Yeah, and they turned out really nice. You know, it doesn't take much to clean it up a bit better and, you know, put a nice rounded thing on it just in case we want to fiberglass them in. But yeah, they are temporarily screwed in to get the spacing and to kind of understand how we're going to do this. But yeah, I think those will work pretty good. So next step is to seal them with resin. So obviously it seals all the wood grain, all the pores. So we'll seal them with resin, and I think I think we're just gonna screw them in from the outside to fasten it, because this all is gonna be covered up by a wooden gunnel that we're gonna go around with. But yeah, looking really good. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, all this stuff if you'd like. You know, it's just fun, just having fun, just hanging out. But sweet. Well, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.